Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. BNB continues to show strength, and to be honest, this latest development here, it's a 5-wave move, and I like it even more than what I currently see on the Ethereum chart. So BNB really shows a lot of strength. So what does that mean? Does that mean we are already definitely in a breakout scenario or not? Well, it's a bit too early to confirm that. Overall, you know that I think that BNB is one of the best charts out there, even though the structure here is a bit messy. Of course, already or also generated by the FTX issue and the drop on the 9th of November. So that obviously didn't help, right? With creating a nice structure. But it is very much possible that this is a 1-2 setup still. So that we have here a wave 1, which peaked at around $330. And this is a wave 2, where we bottomed now at around $250 in the green support area. And we're now on our way up in a wave 3. There should then be a wave 4 and a wave 5. So this is sort of the more bullish scenario. And then we have the, well, in this scenario, we should now very soon end this rally here. Yeah, I mean, we moved up from 250 to 318. There is currently no signal that it is topping. Yeah, no signal yet. But based on the current high, the support area would be between $265 and $284. This is between the 78.6% fib level and the 50% fib level. The retracement should ideally, if it's a wave 2, go into this area. This is an area where I will scale into BNB, right? So this is one scenario, and it should after that rally to the upside in the yellow count. However, do we have to be in the yellow count? No, of course not. There's another possibility, which is the green count, where we say wave 2 isn't in yet. Wave 2 will be finished here. And this is just a large WXY pattern. So that means we could come down a little bit lower than the previous low here of 250, maybe all the way down to $215. Only below $215, this chart will get bearish and we could drop to $100 or even below that. Which means any stop loss I would set below $215. Yeah, no financial advice, that's only what I would do. So we've got two scenarios, they are broadly both bullish. Yeah, just in the green count, we expect a little bit more of a retracement. How much would that be? So let's say we come down into this area, the yellow count, that would be the first scenario. Or we can drop another, let's say 20%. There is not really much in crypto. It is a lot if you look at stocks and shares. It's not really a lot in crypto, 20%. They can do that in a week, right? So it's not really too much of a difference. And therefore, one possible approach how to deal with this would be to scale in, as I have shown it before, with that kind of triangle scaling in method, where you could scale into the support areas. And, you know, you start here with a very small position size, where the triangle is very small. The top of the triangle, small position size, and you buy batches as you scale in and the price goes lower. And you have the largest batch or the largest position size as close as possible to the invalidation point, which would be $215. Well, it's not strictly speaking invalidation, but it is the level where invalidation will get very likely. Which is then, you know, not a big deal if the trade fails, because you have most of your risk very close to the stop loss. That's how I normally deal with it. And should it not work out, then we have to set our trading range lower. But this is a good setup in my opinion, and I will start to scale in the yellow support area. So there's two clear scenarios. Is it guaranteed they work out? No, of course not. You know, it's all about probabilities. It's all about, yeah, probabilities. There are no certainties in this market, but this is something that I like quite a lot. Here, this chart. Structure isn't great, but the latest move up here is really interesting and could show that we have some bullish potential coming up here for BNB. And just to give you a rough idea, let's say we come down into this yellow support area and we start from there, then we have a target to the upside of around $375. So we go down, let's say, to $265. From there, we could move to 375 in a wave 3. Then there will be a shallow wave 4, or there should be. and a wave 5 to the upside that could reach the 2.618 extension, and then we're talking about $440 roughly. Okay, that's my update about BNB. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.